Hello, Tpreneurs. Welcome you all to the Tpreneur Achievers Club. So, I have Vinay today, who started Teapot Cafe in Hyderabad. Welcome, Vinay, to the Tpreneur Achievers Club.
Hey, hi
Great.
Suresh.
Hi. Great to have you here, Vinay. Thank you so much for joining. I know you've been involving in a lot of uh,
Right,
working on SOP and things like that. You've been very busy tweaking a lot of things at your outlet. You just started off uh,
right.
having took the time and coming for the interview is a great thing. Thank you so much for doing that, Vinay. Vinay started a modern tea outlet, Teapot Cafe in Hyderabad. His journey is very interesting and it will definitely inspire a lot of people.
Sure.
Introduce about yourself to the community members.
Okay. See, basically, I'm into animation and movie making. So, which is I was very much passionate about movies and all, like how do they work on movies, and particularly behind the scenes. So, I started my career with animation and visual effects, where I worked on a lot of projects in animation and movie making. So, even I worked for the Hollywood movies, so which was
Great.
a really great experience for me. And
Which movie
I
was
love
that?
I have worked most of these Marvel movies and Star Wars.
Marvel. Okay.
Yeah,
Great.
so it was very great experience. I have a very good team, and over there I was a manager. I was
Great.
heading the team over there, so which given me a lot of scope and expansion in terms of people management and people mean nothing but which is related to business and all. So I was always about this number making and how to achieve our goals, and is it coming in our is in our targeted things or not.
Okay.
So but yeah, it's a small story about my previous career and all. So
How
from
long you
there
were working there? How long you were working in that domain?
I was in this industry for almost 13 years. I started my career as an artist and grown up till manager over there.
Great.
So yeah.
So it was very comfortable
Yes,
job.
it was very comfortable job, and also I loved my job. I never felt like I was working for 14 hours or 15 hours sometimes when required. I never felt what kind of job is this? Everything was going good.
Great.
Actually, I was in my own comfortable zone, to be frank.
Wonderful. So what made you to become an entrepreneur? And why did you choose this modern tea outlet business as an option? Because transition from a working professional to a business owner to an entrepreneur, it's going to be a rough phase.
Right.
But when you work, you don't have to worry about a lot of other things in business. You
Right.
you would have you would have assigned one task. You need to make sure that task is completed,
Right. Correct.
and you don't need to worry about what sales is happening at the company and what is the marketing initiative and manpower hiring, into all aspects of business. So you need not worry about these things when you work. But when you
Right.
decide to become an entrepreneur and you know that all of these will come into the picture, you need to be a kind of jack of all things. You need to know handle these things, whether you know or not. You need to handle these things.
Right.
So that definitely takes a lot of conviction, gut feeling to decide on that. So what made you to become an entrepreneur and why modern tea outlet specific?
Okay. So I don't know, for some reason from start onwards I was more interested to starting something on my own. So with in a partnership initially I started something related to animation itself,
Okay.
and then I moved on with the other jobs and all. But since some years now I was looking into all the sectors, which is a suitable sector for me where I can get into where I can get in and start something on my own. Uh, I looked to a lot of things, but the last year when all this Corona thing started and all, even that time I was in the peak of I was completely into my comfortable zone. Okay, so when I just came back to my home, and then I realized might be I'm more adaptable to that.
Yep.
If something wrong happens in future, and I don't know for some reason I thought no, this is the right time for me to quit something and move away from my comfortable zone and do something out of my box. Then almost for 3 to 4 months I have done my research on which sector I should get into, like textile industry, and also into my animation and there are a lot of other things. But one thing, where I stuck was food industry, because basically I'm a foodie. Okay, so I have this good aesthetic skills, or that good sense for food.
Great.
So then I thought, okay, let me start something related to food, where I can. I thought of starting a mess,
Okay.
but I think it was not promising, and also I was not overwhelmed with that. So then I came across few of the tea outlets. Okay, when I enjoyed that tea over there. So even I thought, why don't why don't I start something like this? So then I started doing my research. So what is tea? What is tea outlet? Definitely, it is not the same way which we do at home. People
Correct.
think it's the same thing what you do at home, and you're just serving it in a different way. No, it's entirely different. It's
Correct.
entirely different. So I started digging a lot of things into that, what it takes, and how to create our own brand. It's not that easy, like if you have money, you can do everything. So money is completely, in my perspective, money was the last thing. Initially, the ideology, and also that zeal, and are you able to look into each and every minute thing,
Right.
and your time and dedication. All this matters for me. So the reason why I choose this modern tea outlet. So definitely there's a lot of space in this industry, because most of the time, if you see, in particular in Hyderabad, we don't have much of modern tea outlets. Yes, but the that that has just started. Actually, that trend has just started, and in person, as for me and my friends, whenever we want to have a tea or coffee, I generally don't choose of going to the roadside vendors and all, because I'm very much particular about the quality and the neatness, and also I want to spend some time, at least 5 to 10 minutes or sometimes half an hour, to have all this ideologies, and where we share our knowledge and ideas. So I'm not that comfortable, and most of the time I didn't enjoy that quality and taste of the tea. In that way, I thought, okay, first let me figure out the space or the location. So then every day I used to move around the city, almost each and every corner of my city. I went everywhere, and almost visited around 50 to 60 outlets and the shutters.
Okay.
Yeah, finally I came to one of the areas through one of my cousin. It's completely packed with students. They were they prepare for this IAS exams or some group exams, state government exams and central government exams. I was really amused. Till then I was looking at the main roads and the main centers in the city. Okay, I thought these are the only business areas. I
Right.
never knew that there are some areas which are beyond the in the colleges, somewhere lying in the colonies, where there's a lot of scope actually. I can see huge number of students over there. It's a huge crowd and all. By finally, almost it took for this entire exercise, it took almost 2 months for me,
Great.
just to
Great.
finalize the budget and to find out the right shutter and the
Great.
shop.
And how did this happen? So you were doing all of these groundwork, and you also joined as a silver member in the community. I mean, started with a workshop and then joined as a silver member.
Right.
So is it all going hand in hand? How did it work? How did it help? How did this membership help you in doing a lot of things right in your business?
Mm-hmm. See, before I joined the team, by then already my planning was going on. The implemented, the design was going on. Everything was going on. But I stuck that few of the areas. One is the chef, the recipe, and the preparation module. And also I want to know the decisions which I'm going to take, are they right or wrong? For example, the place which I have taken, is it right or not?
Right.
So in that in our community, we have discussed about the how to choose your location or space when there are a lot of some particular parameters. Yes, I was fitting into each and every parameter. Then I thought, okay, I'm in the right direction.
Great.
Then even I shared my designs with you guys. So there were some changes you guys have suggested. Yes, I have considered that step by step. And one of the main region, I have worked on a lot of things, but where exactly I have stuck is the preparation module.
SOP.
Which is key. Yes, the key SOP, and also the preparation method. Not only yes. So because before to that I spoke to a lot of chefs and other masters who are here. Then later I thought it's not going to work, because why should I believe, why should I depend on someone else?
Right.
When I'm starting something, like when I'm investing this huge amount and when I'm left my comfortable job and doing everything on my own, why
Right.
should I depend on someone else?
Right.
So even I want to get that into me, and I want to run my business in an autopilot mode. I don't want to
In a very systematic manner.
yes, systematic manner, like a corporate office or the MNCs.
Correct.
I don't want to do it in a okay, I go I go in the morning and I open the shutter and do everything and close it. That is not going to work.
Correct.
And even I may not enjoy the
Correct.
job for a long time.
True.
So that like all these things. So finally, I was pretty much happy when I meet this community where there are around 300 plus of modern tea outlets. So I was very happy. I felt almost like I was working in my previous job role where like we have a lot of community members where we share the ideas, where we discuss our problems and all. So same thing is happening here in a very professional way. So it was really good. I was very happy with that. And even now I'm still in touch with the guys, and whenever I have any simple doubt, also even just ping them.
Put in the Telegram.
People are ready. Yes, on the Telegram group. So people are ready to help me out.
Great. So you mentioned about systems and processes. I know you've not hired a tea master. So
right.
We cover something called the no tea master concept in the
right.
program. So I believe you've implemented that, and
right.
a lot of people like you in the community. In fact, the mindset that when I started, the same mindset, I shouldn't be dependent on a skilled manpower. Right? Anybody who can come in, who can get trained and then become a tea brewer or a tea master. So that's the thought process. I think I'm happy that you're able to implement that and you're able to execute that in a beautiful manner, Vinay. So what is that one key takeaway that made a huge difference in Teapot Cafe from the community?
Definitely I'll talk about this recipe once again, because so when I learned about this, learn about this no tea master concept, it was out of my mind. Okay, even we have this kind of possibility where we can. I was trained in one day actually over there. I was very much happy with the session. As soon as I came back, I was doing all the R&Ds and all.
Great.
Then okay, fine. Now I became a master. I myself is a master, because most of the people are asking just before to start, did you hire the tea master?
Great.
I said no, I'm the tea master.
Wonderful.
Because I know everything now.
Great.
I know everything. So then I started to plan to hire a employee. So before initially I had thought of hiring. I think I should hire a person who is more experienced for 3 years in one of the major outlets. Where I should be paying around 30,000, 40,000, or could be 15 or 20.
Right.
But always I was against to this system, because in one of my previous roles and all, we used to hire fresher where he doesn't have anything, any knowledge of this, but we can teach them, we can mold them as per our requirement.
Right.
So then I have started implementing that that idea to this no tea master concept, because I'm the master. I've had an employee. Requirement was so I planned to take employees only women employees who are above 18, and who doesn't have any knowledge of doing any kind of job. Okay, there should be, if there's a requirement for her, then only I was willing to take her. I interviewed 4 to 5 people. They want to just switch the job. I said no. I'm looking for a person who's really who's committed, and that's enough. That's the only quality I require. And also you should be able to just read the basic thing. You should have the basic knowledge of English, where you can at least look at read out the recipe, and also you should be able to billing in the system.
Correct.
So I'm new to all these things. Don't worry, I'll train you each and every part of it.
Wonderful.
Then I started everything, and initially she doesn't even know what is tea. She never prepared tea at home. But I'm as a tea master, I trained for for 1 week. Then later, she now it's been 2 months. She is a master now. Sometimes she even raised my question. Okay, fine. Now I'm the master. If someone else new come, how do they manage? I said yes. When you came as a new when you joined, you didn't know anything. You are not a team master. Even I'm looking for a person who doesn't know anything, I'll train them. So don't worry about that.
Correct.
So because employees always have this one thing. I'm the team master. Without me, your business doesn't run. Don't give that scope,
Correct.
If she's not available for 3 to 4 days, like like 3 to 4 hours or for a day, it doesn't matter at all. I just
Wonderful.
take things up to me and do it.
Great to know that.
That is one thing.
Yeah.
That is one thing, which helped me a lot by this community. One of the key, actually. I should mention.
Okay, so it's a great thing, right? So you come from a non-food background, and then you started a tea outlet. As you said, you became a tea master first, and then
Right.
that's the best part about the community. Personally, I believe the kind of impact that we're able to make is because see, for every business there will be a disruption. Whenever there's a disruption, things will change. Things will become easier, right? So it used to be like, without a tea master, can I start a tea outlet? Now there is no question of having a tea master at all. See, I have huge respect for tea masters, but the problem is the supply is too low and the demand is so high, and you will have a lot of attrition when you hire tea masters. And as you said, it's not about just offering a product. It's about offering the right product, right?
Correct.
You keep working on the SOP. When I interact with you, you're not that satisfied. Okay, this is not great. I should rework on this and things like that. So I think the standardization part, as you rightly said in the beginning, consistency in the product, clean and hygiene. So all of these components are very important for a modern tea outlet. I'm really happy that you understood the problems better and also offering solutions accordingly. Vinay, thank you so much for that.
Yeah, and one more thing I just forgot, like most of the people, like not only our tea entrepreneurs, any business, when they want to start something else, they think that, oh, I have a lot of ideas, but I don't have money. That's the reason I'm just not starting it.
Right.
No, I say that's the wrong attitude. So if you're an entrepreneur, so we are the problem solvers. Okay, we find a solution for the any kind of issues happening in the industry in a particular sector.
Correct.
So initially, our ideology, our zeal, and everything should be perfect, and amount will flow in some or the other way. Might be like your family will support you, your friends will support you, or there are any banks, or if no one, if your ideology is such great, you can approach any of the investors.
True.
Because there are a lot of investors in market where they want to invest in something, but they want to be a sleeping partner. They need the returns.
Correct.
If your ideology is strong, definitely people would be interested. You can do it in a sharing business.
Revenue sharing, exactly.
Revenue sharing.
Yes. Great. I always tell this: money is the last problem to solve, and I've experienced that myself in my own journey.
Right.
People would have heard this a lot of times. I went bankrupt. I didn't have money.
Right.
I was able to set up 16 outlets after that without even having 10,000 rupees in my account. So that's because your idea is the key. If you have the strong execution capability, money will follow. So thank you so much for bringing that, Vinay. So if I may ask you this question, by being a part of this community, how much money you would have saved? How much time would have saved by being a part of this community?
See, before joining this community, I spoke to one of the key, team master. Okay, so for the recipe and the preparation and by training, he said he'll be charging around more than 1 lakh. I was prepared for that. For some reason, I was prepared for that because I thought, no, he is he became a hero for me actually. To run my business, I'm dependent on him.
Okay.
So for any kind of doubt, and I used to call him. He never used to pick the call.
Okay.
That once everything is done, just let me know. I'll just come and show you for 2 days and leave. So for just giving me training for 2 days, I'm paying for almost 1 lakh and depending on him.
And it's not business perspective; it's only recipe perspective.
Right. Yeah, it's only recipe perspective. This was something stupid. So then, luckily, I got into this, this training period. When I was able to try the tea powders from your outlets also, I know. Okay, so how to judge what is right and what is wrong. So what are the blends do we have in that? Till then, I never had all these ideas. So that gave me an eye opener for me. So just for tea master, I say for more than 1 lakh. Yeah, and also till now, my complete background was into animation. I have very good network. Whenever I have any doubts, I used to have some people. But in tea business, I never had anyone, because everyone are most worried about their own business secrets. No one would be willing to share their knowledge. But this community, it's open for everyone. We can share them. We all can share the like concerns or ideas, or even you can have the reviews. Is it right or wrong? That I'm getting here, which I'm very much satisfied.
I always believe this knowledge shared is knowledge double. The reason I started this community is because of that, and I also believe in peer-to-peer learning. When you travel with people who are on the same mission as you, the path to success is going to be very, very fast. So I'm really happy that you're able to, utilize the community really well, and then and also having this mindset of giving back to
Right.
people, right? Whatever you've learned, you have that mindset to give back. So definitely, you will also learn more and make the benefit out of it. So thank you so much, Vinay, for that. So, what would be your suggestion for aspiring entrepreneurs? Let's say somebody has decided to start a modern tea outlet. What will be your suggestions?
Okay. So I'll just go back to the day one of my ideology. So when I discuss this ideology, yes, people are worried. Definitely they are concerned. So why are you leaving your comfortable job and going into business? And into business, that why into tea business? And
Yes, and that's a taboo, right? People
right.
starting a tea outlet is not a great thing. It's not a cool thing to start.
Right. And that too, why during this Corona period?
Okay.
Why not you wait for 2 more years? So these are the kind of questions where most of the people ask. So when I asked all these questions to myself, so the answers what I had is food. When there was a first lockdown, I thought food industry is gone. It will take almost 3 to 4 years to get back, because now people are worried about getting out and having food outside. But to my surprise, when the lockdown was there was no lockdown was lifted, food industry was the first thing people are coming out and having food.
And especially small format outlets.
Yes, especially for small format. I'm not talking about the a big fancy restaurant. Yes, they're having a very tough time.
Yeah.
But there are a lot of crowd for, especially for tea, snacks, and tiffins and the basic food items. I was amazed. I thought, okay, after groceries and all, this is one of the business sector where we should be getting into.
Correct.
But I was not into this snacks and tiffins and food. I was not interested in that. Okay. So second thing, why during Corona? I thought industry market is taking a new shape.
Correct.
People are getting out and people are expecting something new, and people
are safety, hygiene.
Safety, hygiene, and all. And our modern tea outlet is into that sector.
Correct.
Okay. And for any business, if you're investing in any business, it will take minimum 3 to 6 months or sometimes 1 year. Okay, to to take a flight. So I thought, let me use this Corona period to set my business. In general, for business, most of the people say there's no right time or no right age. If your ideology is clear, any time is the right time. But Corona has added one more advantage actually for us.
Great. I should say you look at Corona as an opportunity. COVID-19.
It's an opportunity. It's an opportunity for us.
Great. Thank you so much, Vinay. So wish you all good luck. May you open multiple outlets down the line. I'm really happy that I'm being a small part in your business and in your growth. So may your brand grow multifold in the coming years. Thank you so much for all the inputs that you gave. I'm sure definitely it will inspire a lot of people to start and run a very profitable business in this space. Thank you so much, Vinay, for joining.
Thank you, Suresh. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.